Greetings, my friends. Michael Parrish with CosmicCuts.com here. And you've been around the block. You've seen rose quartz before, my friends. And for good reason. It's one of the most common healing gemstones that there is. Have you ever seen it like this? Incredible stuff. You're used to seeing rose quartz in a light pink grayish color. It's unbelievably rare when you see it like this. Like a refreshing drink of pink lemonade. Amazing stuff. We had to get special permission to even enter the room where these things were sold in. And now, you can snag one for yourself at CosmicCuts.com. Rose quartz, the gemstone of love. Incredible, incredible stuff. It's going to be all types of love. Romantic love, platonic love, and most importantly, self-love. You got to love yourself before you can love others and allow the right type of love into your life. And rose quartz is a remarkable tool for that. But enough of me talking about it. Let's take a close-up at one of these miracles of Mother Nature that you'll receive from the one and only CosmicCuts.com. Yes indeed, my friends. I feel truly honored, privileged, and blessed to be able to offer these sensational miracles of Mother Nature to you. Incredible stuff. We had to jump through a lot of hoops to even be able to stand in the room where these were offered, and for good reason. There's very few rose quartz of this high quality mind in the entire world. Amazing stuff. Only the best of the best. Rose quartz. Incredible stuff. It's going to open up your crown chakra. Make sure that chakra's balanced with all your other chakras. And the crown, or the heart chakra, is one of the most commonly blocked chakras because we're told our entire lives we don't have time for self-love. The media tells us to panic at all times. The end of the world is coming. No time for self-love. But friends, when you love yourself, you love others, you love the world you live in. So it's incredibly, incredibly important. And rose quartz is one of the best tools on Mother Earth to remind you of that. It's also going to strengthen the relationships in your life, attract all types of love into your life, and repel those energy vampires, those succubi, sucking your energy and bringing you nothing in return. Beware of the succubi, friends. Amazing rose quartz. Truly something you can stare at for hours. Part of me just wants to keep dragging this video on because of the beauty is drawing me in. Important thing with rose quartz is that you hold her and you breathe in that healing energy. And you breathe out all that doesn't serve you. Amazing, amazing stuff. I don't know how long we're going to be able to offer these beauties because of how rare they are. So, if you want one, get them while they still last. Incredible, incredible stuff. Nice, deep, dark, rich color that you truly don't see from rose quartz very often at all. Have an amazing day, friends.